So, what's good? Today, I'm gonna show y'all why y'all need to watch this video for y'all install your own sound system, bro. Yeah, y'all can see I got the SS, man. So yeah, as y'all know, put my own sound system in here, right? Cool. Months later, I got an issue. Because who installed it? I installed it. But did I make a mistake? Yes, I did. So I'm gonna make sure y'all see this. Cause I say this every video. I don't know if I say I don't say it every video, but I try to make sure I do. Everybody want their stuff. Everybody claim they stuff perfect. We all make mistakes though. Everybody's vehicle not perfect. My vehicle not perfect. I'm gonna let y'all know that. Yeah, I'm not afraid to admit that. I'm not afraid to show y'all the flaws of my car. So I mean, yeah. Go ahead and get into this video. I got people coming through looking at me, talking to a camera, but it is what it is. They gonna see me when I blow up on YouTube, bro. So yeah. So took everything loose. That's what the issue was. Remote wire was loose. Crazy, right? Kept cutting out over and over and over. Took my whole radio out. Started replacing RCA cables. Crazy. Shout out to Drill, man. That man over that man looking to see what I'm doing, see what I'm up to. He be helping me with sound systems and stuff too. He's the reasons why I got into this anyway. So yeah, man. I hit these green RCAs. He gave me them. Replaced them, the ones I had, cause I had scar. But I don't know if I had to replace them. I'm gonna hook them back up and see if I still can use them. What I'm gonna do is, hey, that ground connection still good. Let me know. Let me know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get that. I know it's some wire, some leftover wire stuck up in there. Go ahead and get that out. Hook this back up. So yeah, stay tuned. Watch the video. Y'all can learn something. Hooking your first sound system up. Watch my video when I said I installed 2 12s in this car over the summer. Y'all got a Caprice. Make sure you gonna have to get another bolt, because the bolts that originally come with the batteries, that's not gonna work. You're gonna have to get some from AutoZone, because that's what I had to do. I know it looked tacky. I know it looked tacky, man. Make sure y'all got your inline fuse correctly up in there. Ran it down the same way my dad had it back in the day, man. Hook that up, ran it through the car, ran it long in the car, ran it through the back, comes out through here. Easy. I don't know how difficult it might be to y'all. It's your first time, you might be a little scared. You might be chicken to do it. Don't be chicken, bro. Y'all gotta start from somewhere. Yeah, bro. I need to replace my tail lights, because my tail lights holding water and dirt in them. But anyway, that's beside the point. I'm gonna go ahead and fix my issue, because I know y'all probably tired of me talking and stuff, so yeah. Oh, back. So look, all right, so I done dropped the wire. Invest in y'all some of these, bro. These are very good when you're working with audio. They peel the little rubber back. Peel this stuff right here back, so you can go ahead and use the rest of that wire to hook into your amps and whatever you're doing. So yeah. Okay, I think I got I'm trying my best, y'all. Y'all bear with me. So yeah, this is what it do. All you gotta do, peel that back, and that's how it works. Y'all see the rest of that? That's how that works, bro. And what I like to do is I like to twist it, you know, be somewhat neat. But yeah, that's how that's gonna work. All right, people, so we got the remote wire in there. Hopefully tighter than how I had it over the summer. Well, over the summer, I just want to hook this thing up, and I just want some bang in the Caprice, man. So go ahead and hook, turn the car on and see what it do now. What you scared for, man? What you scared for? See what the speakers do. Turns out we're not gonna need these jacks, so I can hook all this back up together. These are the jacks that I was using, the Scar Audio jacks, but I'm gonna use these to hook back into the bass knob. So yeah. She hit. Blue is bad. Bro, what is... I don't know why I got so many cats around my yard, bro. Away from my yard, dude. Go. Y'all want to know what I did? What I did, I put bolts in there. So I put bolts in there, and I'll put some rubber gaskets underneath the bolts. So like it won't be having that rattling sound and it'll secure it a little more. So that's why I put I never seen nobody do that before. I don't know if it's, I ain't gonna say I don't know if it's safe. I mean, it's not directly under the amp where all the internals at. It's just where the bolts go. But y'all let me know in the comments if that's all right. I think it's all right. I mean, that's what I think though. Y'all let me know y'all opinions though. I did hear that you're not supposed to mount it on metal, which I did not know. I'm just finding that out. So I might have to get me a board or something, maybe. And I'm gonna have to get some more tail lights because we're finna lose tail lights. And plus, they nasty now. They not clean. See all that dirt build up in them? This one holding water in it. This one holding dirt too. So I gotta have my SS looking nice, man. 2026 car night. This car night gonna be looking how it is now. Short video. I don't know how long this video actually is. But y'all like, comment, subscribe. See y'all next video. Don't let you building the old school. Don't let nobody discourage your old school. Don't let nobody discourage you by building this old school. Cause most likely they wouldn't have the patience to deal with an old school or with a classic car like this. So yeah, the negativity, oh, I don't know about this, I don't know about that, I don't know why you got it, this, that, don't worry about that. Cause they couldn't even do this what you're doing. So yeah, worry about Chris 2 times, keep that in mind. I'll see y'all in the next video, bro. Y'all take it.